In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Teams with Google Calendar. If you use Google Calendar to manage your schedule, but your team relies on Microsoft Teams for meetings, you've probably run into the same problem. You have to manually copy and paste meeting links, or you end up switching back and forth between apps just to get a link. It's frustrating and it wastes time, but there's a much better way. By integrating Microsoft Teams directly into Google Calendar, you can create Teams meetings right from your Google Calendar events without ever leaving the page. Let me show you exactly how to do it. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to calendar.google.com. Once you're on your Google Calendar page, look at the right side of the screen. You'll see several options there, including your other calendars, tasks, and a section for add-ons. Click on Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace. This is where you can find all kinds of extensions and tools that work directly with Google services. In the search bar at the top of the marketplace, type Microsoft Teams Meeting and press Enter. After a moment, you'll see the Microsoft Teams Meeting add-on appear in the search results. It's usually the first option. Click on it to open the add-on details page. Then click the Install button to begin the installation process. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to review the permissions that the add-on needs. Click Continue to proceed. Next, you'll be asked to select your Google account. Choose the account you use for Google Calendar. Then click Allow to grant the necessary permissions. This allows Microsoft Teams to access your calendar so it can create and manage meeting links. Once the installation is complete, you'll see a confirmation message. Click Done to close the window. Now, if you look at the right side of your Google Calendar, you'll see that Microsoft Teams has been successfully installed. You'll notice a small Teams icon next to your calendar events. When you create a new event, you can now click the Add Microsoft Teams Meeting option, and a meeting link will be automatically generated and added to your event description. Your guests will receive the link as well. And that's it. You've successfully integrated Microsoft Teams with Google Calendar. No more copying and pasting links, no more switching between apps. Just a clean, simple way to add Teams meetings directly from your calendar. If you liked this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.